What are the inputs? Number of times are the inputs. So that means it is equal to quantity. Input is actually quantity. Okay. So there are number of times. Look at here. Number of times equal to quantity. Asking user the quantity, whether number 2 or 3. Number of times mean quantity. Asking the user what you want to multiply. Okay, that means the quantity. The answer, asking the user, that is answer. It also initialized into quantity. Okay. Then the user's input is going to initialize into the quantity. So asking the user number of times. So instead of number of times, we can ask quantity directly. So user's input is equal to the quantity. Next one, repeat. The process is going to repeat 6 times. What is going to repeat? Going to repeat multiple equal to quantity multiplied by frequency. That means process going to repeat 6 times. Okay, the process going to repeat the function 6 times. So we'll see what is the function. What is going to repeat now? What is repeating 6 times? Multiple equal quantity multiplied by frequency. Is the screen small? Multiple equal quantity multiply how many times? Frequency. Frequency is changing 1 to changing 1 by 1, that is 1 to 6. Look at here, frequency is set into 1. In the beginning, frequency is set into 1. That also in the processing part. Here we have the frequency. Just look at, don't write. Frequency equal 1 in the beginning. Okay. And we are going to do the process what? Multiple equal quantity multiply with frequency. Starting frequency is 1. Quantity is what? We have to give the quantity. So quantity we took as number 2. User is input the value. Now value is value 2. We are going to give as a quantity. Okay. Example we'll take, it is number 2. Okay. So then quantity also number 2. Frequency, at the beginning we have the frequency like 1. So it is going to change. Okay. Starting frequency is 1, but it is going to change later. Don't write, just look at. Then multiple, display the output multiple. Okay. So we are going to display output what? The multiple. We are going to display the output, that is multiple. Okay, then what is happening there? We are going to again, while displaying the output, we are going to increment. There's another process happening. Okay, here another process happening. Frequency equal frequency plus 1. We are adding 1 to that. Another process. That means 2 processes are happening there. 2 processes are running there. So process 2. Okay. We just write the process only. Look at what's happening. In the beginning, frequency was 1, but repeating part is happening. I'll take it for the first one. Repeating part happening again and again. Okay. How many times? 6 times it is happening. That also process. Then multiple quantity multiply with frequency. What is the frequency in the beginning? It is 1. But now multiple is equal to quantity plus 1 frequency, that is number 2. Then answer number 2 will display. Okay. Then now we'll see one by one. In the beginning 1, then answer will be 1 into 2, answer 2. Then 2 plus 1, frequency becoming 3. Okay, that value I'll take in blue color. This 3 is going to take here. The new one is number frequencies. Now this number 3 is 6 times repeating. Now the first time, the frequency becoming number 3. Sorry, we have the number 2. 1 plus 1. This place 1. Frequency is 1. Frequency is 1. 1 plus 1. That is number 2. This number 2 is going here. Okay. Then 2 into 2, answer is becoming 4. Then 2 plus 1 will be 3. This 3 again going to the frequency, that is becoming 3. Then answer will be 6. Okay. So number 3 plus 1 becoming 4. Then frequency becoming 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. Then that is going to display output. Then 4 plus 1, 5. Then here the 5 will come, frequency. 5 into 2, 10 is going to display. Then 5 plus 1 becoming 6. 6 is taking inside. Then 6, we are going to run only 6 times. 6 into 2, answer 12 is coming. Okay, so 6 plus 1 is 7, but 7, when it is coming to 7, repeat 6 times only. When it comes to 7, it will move to the stop. Why? Repeat only 6 times. 7 is more than that. Means we are going to check lesser than 6. Lesser than or equal 6 only. That means we are going to stop the 7th one. Okay. So output, you better write 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Other things no need, you can understand is multiply, increment by one by one. Okay, now you better draw this one. Copy down this one. And frequency changes, you can write here frequency started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. We repeat up to 6 only. 6, 7 also taking, but 7 is not going to take inside. Okay, copy down this slide quickly. Okay. Example 2. Now look at this one. Display random numbers from 1 to 100 and infinite numbers. Before that, previous program I gave the question with 6. So if you want, you can change it to 12 and see the output. Before moving to the next one, that means in our previous program, we did 6. Then when you make it 12, you can take the 24 also. Okay. Okay. Now our new one now see that one. Display random numbers from 1 to 100 and infinite numbers time. Displaying 1 to 100 infinite times. Infinite means there's no limit. It keep on doing, keep on giving. Okay. So we'll see the flow chart first. When click the flag forever. Forever means not going to stop. Keep on repeating. We can repeat some certain period of time earlier, but now we are not going to give ending. That means unlimited time. So to display the unlimited time, we are infinite times, we are going to use the forever. Okay. So write the heading forever. Forever used to display, used to repeat infinite time. Okay, infinite mean unlimited. අනන්ත කියලා කියන්නේ. Keep on repeating. අනන්ත වෙනකන් යනවා. නවතින්නේ නැතුව දිගින් දිගටම කරන්න. Forever. Okay. We'll first create the program. Then we'll, okay, first just look at the flow chart first. Begin. Generate random number from 1 to 100. We are going to generate random values 1 to 100. Display number, displaying the output. Is number greater than 0? We are checking whether number is a positive number, greater than 0. If it is true, keep on repeating. If the number is negative number, it will end up. But who is going to give the number? The program is the one going to give. We are not going to give no input here. Just look at this one. Everything's done by the computer, that we have only the output. Okay. First we'll write the question and then we'll move to the Scratch program. Okay. Copy the question. Example 2. Display random numbers from 1 to 100. Display random numbers from 1 to 100. An infinite number of times. Okay. Display random numbers from 1 to 100 an infinite number of times. Draw the flowchart now. Generate the random number 1 to 100. Display number is number greater than 0. Okay. So quickly draw the flowchart. Copy the flowchart now. Okay, now we have to take the control, starting flag, then forever x. What is that? That is a variable. So since we don't have a variable x, we should make the variable. Okay, make variable x. Give okay. Now set variable 2. That means this is the one what I'm going to take. Pick random one. Check whether it is there in the operator. Yes. Random 1 to 100 we need. Not 1 to 10. We'll take it as 100 and take. Okay. So drag and drop it here. And then we'll put it there. Say x as output. That means we are going to give the output value x. X is a variable. Okay, drag and drop it here. Then wait 1 second. Give the control, wait 1 second. And run and see what is happening there now. Variable value forever should take like that. Starting flag. Then forever set the value, not my variable, it should be the value x. Pick up, say x. Okay, we'll see. Let's keep on repeating it. Now look at it's giving the values randomly. I just stop and start it again. Random values are given by this program. Pick random 1 to 100. Check whether you have this one. Quickly complete and put it to the group. Send me the print screen to the group.